Ka National People's Party Khubor lengba u Presiden jongkau ba Prestun Tensong kila pentep ba Shen ka parti kan sa Pynbna yau Kyrtong uban Aireng hak Elekshon MP Shiteng Samoy na Shillong seat kabala syong thli hadien ka jingklat kendet jong u Dr. Ricky AG Singkon katkum ka jingong jong ba Prestun badai ru sembut Menteri Rang ba Khubor ke NPP kala pen kre shat ban se Kyrtong ban yakhun ya ka Elekshon Shiteng Samoy bad u Kyrtong Shen ken sa Pynbna.
I told them very clearly that from the party side, we have decided to have our official candidate in the coming MP by-election, and that stands till today, and we are going to field the candidate. And then your question saying when or who will be the candidate, that will be accordingly informed to you. Right now, the decision is taken by the party NPP. So again, it is up to maybe our partners or the individual political party whether they are joining us or not. That we are yet to discuss anything on that. But let us see what is their opinion, what is their mind. So, but from our side, from the party side, we have decided that we will field the candidate in this coming by-election of Shillong, Shillong parliamentary constituency.